Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking access and ensuring recoverability. Set a strong PIN or passphrase and enable biometrics only after a secure lock. This stops casual access. Once done, enable Find My Device and confirm your Google account recovery info so you can locate or wipe if stolen. Make sure automatic system and app updates are on, and set regular encrypted backups to the cloud or a local drive to preserve data while maintaining confidentiality. Now focus on apps and connectivity. Audit every app's permissions, revoke anything unnecessary, and uninstall apps you don't use. This reduces attack surface. Then rely on the Play Store with Play Protect enabled. Avoid sideloading unless you verify the APK and signer. For networks, always use a trusted VPN on public Wi-Fi and turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning when not required to prevent tracking and unauthorized connections. Together, these steps block common exploitation paths. To finish, harden deeper settings and prepare for recovery. Enable full disk encryption if not already active and limit sensitive content on lock screen notifications so data isn't exposed. Next, enable two-factor authentication for key accounts and move passwords into a reputable manager with unique credentials to prevent credential reuse. If you must reset, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Before doing so, confirm encrypted backups and recovery codes are stored offline so you can restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.